Caveman BBQ. 100% beef. Hey guys, welcome back to Caveman BBQ. Today, we're showing you how we made these beautiful barbecue smoked pulled pork sandwiches. In this video, we used approximately 4 kilograms of pork shoulder, which would average around 8 servings. Don't forget, we're big boys, so that's a lot of pork. Keep in mind, there's an approximately 30% shrinkage when fully cooking the pork shoulder. Space is always a plus. At Caveman BBQ, we only use the highest of quality when it comes to our food. So that's why today, this video is proudly sponsored by our providers, N.Shukrou Meat Market. Follow the link in the description to check them out, or if you want to try this out yourself. Now, let's get to it. After dry brining the meat overnight with salt, we wipe any excess moisture from the shoulder, and then we season it generously with our homemade barbecue rub. First thing in the morning, we set our gas barbecue at a steady 110 degrees Celsius to produce some smoke. Then after dry brining the meat overnight with salt, we wipe it dry even though a little moisture doesn't hurt. It helps our homemade barbecue rub stick on, like your ex finding out you won the lottery. Total cook time is 12 hours, so patience is a virtue. Yeah, patience. Anyways, we changed the wood chips 3 times throughout our session. Then we kept it cooking in the barbecue with frequent spritzes of apple cider vinegar for the remaining hours. Once the internal temperature hits 76 degrees, man, that's where the magic happens. The collagens found in the connective tissues begin to melt and turn into gelatin, making the meat more tender and moist. This process might take up to 4 hours to complete, so to speed it up, we wrapped it in tin foil. The results speak for themselves. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Southside, can't get enough, can't get enough. Eastside, Westside, worldwide. Ride out. Now I ain't got no kids yet, but this right here's for practice. I hate to get the seats in the bins wet, but that's how good your ass is. Make an old man get his glasses, make Wesley pay his taxes, then follow your moves all week on Twitter. Probably make a gay nigga reconsider. You're now rockin' with the best, man. Dress game down to the sex game. Won't grab but the boy been blessed, man. Let you play with the stick, Ovechkin. She calling, she texting, she's falling, but let me explain. Gotta tell your old boyfriend skate, girl, cause a nigga don't play them X games.
It's hot when it hits my skin, I begin and take a breath. And all adrenaline rushes to my head. And I know that my comfort, I wanna back up and all alone right now. Well, my head is in the clouds, get my white tiger, high roller coaster. White tiger,
I can't get enough of what you got. Good God, you hit the spot. Try to let go, but I just cannot. So don't you stop, I need that glow. Try to cold,
Caveman
even when out in
BBQ.
London town.
100% beef.
And I got love for the underground. Quality, Pimp C, H-Town will bring it down. Met a bad bitch that'll cut all night, that'll suck all night. You just cut off lights.